Okay, moving on to row 10, which is a repeat of row 2. So you're going to double crochet into the next 2. So not the first, but the second. 1 and 2. Chain 1. Okay, I'm moving this down so I can reach it a little better. And now we're going with our repeat. Skip, and we are going to double crochet into our next 7. So into the chain, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 into the chain. Chain 1, skip 1 double crochet, and chain 1. I'm going to go ahead and put my first stitch here. And repeat that pattern all the way down to the end, and in the end you'll have 3 double crochets. So our repeat pattern here is 7, 1, 7, 1, just like row 2. Got your 3 on the end. 7, 1, 7, 1. And I will be right back for row 11. Alright, here we are on row 11 with our chain 3, and we are going to move our work around. Double crochet into the first stitch, well, the next actually. So you're going to have 1, 2 double crochets because your chain counts as a double. Chain 1, skip that double crochet, and we are going, skip the double crochet, boop, and double crochet into the chain 1. And of course, I like chaining too tight, so everything wants to go wonky. Plus it's late at night now. So into 1, and then the next 8 for a total of 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and chain space 9, and chain 1. Let's look to see what we're going to do here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're just going to skip, just like on row 1. I do believe. Yep, I had to eyeball it again. Skip this double crochet and crochet into the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Go in and chain 1, skip, and go into the chain. So this is pretty easy. 2 in the end, 9, chain 1, 9 double crochets, chain 1, 9 double crochets all the way down, and this row will look identical to your first row. And I will be right back yet again. Okay, this is row 2 through 11 now complete, and this is what yours should also be looking like. You can see very clearly your first diamond has been made, and I can't really tell here unless I strain hard, but you can see a perfect X. So as long as you have that perfect lined X, you're doing great. Here's your diamond right in the middle. Now for the rest of your afghan, I'm not sure how many rows I'm going to do, but I will let you know that in the next. But with that being said, this is your pattern, rows all the way up to 11. So now all you have to do, go back to the first video. I put in a little cheat code. I'll do a cheat in the description below on how to do this, but you're going to just simply repeat rows 2 through 11, 2 to over and over again, rows 2 through 11, and I will be back with part 3 if you choose to do a border on yours. If not, you can complete and finish it off, and I will also do that on part 3 of our crochet along. So if you want to do another crochet along with me after this, then let me know and I'll be sure to do that. If you have any questions, be sure and put those below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, ring my little jingly bell so that you'll get you'll get a notification the next time I upload anything. And I will be seeing you again soon. Have a good morning, noon, or night. Bye for now.